Okay, so I was asked to just talk through revision tips and what I found useful when I was revising during my A levels. So at A level, I took English, history, and classics, which was a huge amount of content, huge amount of written work, which I really struggled to actually think what's the key bit of information, what's the key thing that I need to take away from this, how do I memorize it? So the key thing that I did is if I'd attended a lesson or a lecture, I would get my notes, I would then write them up into a format that I understood, which for me was a mind map. I'd go away, I'd take those notes that I'd got and I'd put them into something that was really clear, really worked for me, and I'd reduce it down. I'd then get those mind maps, I'd highlight the key bits of them, and then I'd speak it out loud. So I'd actually say out loud everything on that mind map, and I'd speak it so many times, once, twice a day when I was leading up to the exams. So it was really in my head. When I was in the exam, I could remember exactly what was going on in that mind map at that point. And then I really focused on exam practice. So I would just do loads of exam questions. I'd take them to my teachers. I'd get feedback. I'd then go away, redo the exam question, get more feedback, really focus it on that way. So it was a combination of just memorizing, just pure memorizing content, then actually doing something with that content, doing an exam question all the time. It was, it sounds boring, it sounds simple, but it really worked for me.